Things change here since I got church.
Yeah, brother. Yeah, I feel a different kind of peace in my soul. I don't feel money can buy that.
And the things then we pray for, you always get them.
Not all the time, you know. But me over say things take time it is, you see it? Sometime I know what we want or what we need.
Explain that to me.
Example, maybe want to win the lotto, but you don't need so much money. God can see say it will core of your heart. Maybe cost of life. So I'm not care.
That makes sense.
See my pastor, a very powerful woman. And she tell me straight, say, yo, this is my calling right now to teach others.
So you got to real pastor.
You know, I start some Bible study in class though.
That means you're well serious about this then, man. Different level you take this thing up and now, watch out.
Well, Pastor Miller tell me some would be a great pastor still in 80s.
Well, brother, don't know, you know, if I hit your field, go feed. You know you always have my support, 100%.
Minister Wallace? What a pleasant surprise. What are you doing here?
As you said, I'm here to surprise you.
And what if I wasn't here?
I would have known that. Come on.
How would you have known? I hope you're not keeping tabs on me now. Because you know I don't like that.
Why would you say that, Patrice?
But how would you have known if I'm here or not?
Generally, when you're leaving early, you would let me know. Bugaboo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
So, how are you?
Yeah, I'm okay. It's just, well, never mind. Do you want us to get some food?
No, I had a pretty big meal earlier today.
A pretty big lunch. And it's not at jamming?
Well, I just felt for something different.
I know what you mean. I'm just pulling your legs.
It's all right. You can pull my leg any day. All right. Okay.
Respect, brother.
Yeah, man. Pastor Butcher.
You know what's there? Pastor Tucker sound better.
Wherever you say, sir. Pastor Tucker. Pastor Tucker.
Oh, you see, brother, we have to look into them things and say, oh, we address yourself. You say, name, brother. Powerful in 80s. Can hurt you, or it can make you elevate.
So, what wrong with the name, brother?
Yeah, I'm just done with the nickname Butcher, brother. You need to stop using the name when you need to, brother. You need to leg off of them all time thing, there, bro. We are different people now.
Well, can't just drop everything one time, so, brother.
Brother, we have to elevate with mind in 80s. We have to leg of youthful things, brother.
But we can't just drop everything, sir.
I say that. But we have to start from somewhere. You can't call me brother or bro, man. I never reach the pastor level yet.
So, I think if we pray hard enough, that I can stop Teflon from coming over here for it.
If you pray and sincere, bro, I believe so.
Well, me still believe. So God help those who help themselves. So, how is it going?
Same old, same old. You know, I've been trying to bring the class of this place up and
So, how is your boss?
you're begging for it, aren't you?
I just want to know.
Well, She's been gone for the past 2 weeks at some conference thingy. I really think that woman has a side hustle.
It's quite possible, hon.
Oh, well, I can tell you this. Whenever I find out, I'm going to let the board know for sure.
But if the business is doing what it's supposed to do, then you really won't have a case.
But it's not, and that's the issue. And she leave the runnings to this Brissett woman who continues to ghettoize the place more and more.
Pat, you've always had this bougie uptown kind of behavior. Come on.
Why? Because I believe in class and elite standards?
Yeah, but the fact that you're unwavering in your standards, that's a good thing.
Which is what you like.
You mean what I love? But speaking of Miss Brissett, where's she?
She took 2 weeks off to go overseas to deal with some family issues.
Really no.
Yes, right in the midst of planning for the Mother's Day show. Now I have to take over and make sure that everything goes right.
Pat, that's actually a part of management description. Overseeing and delegating.
It's more like to fix what's broken.
What's broken?
The type of show that they're offering.
What do you mean? What type?
Comedy show with singers and dancers. Like, who wants to see a comedy show on Mother's Day?
Pat, I'm sure a lot of mothers would appreciate that. Who is the comedian?
Christopher Johnny Daly.
But that's a top tier entertainer. I'm sure it's going to be great.
It is. But being a help yourself, brother. Look on the community. Look on the school. Look on the lunch program. Look on the bar we are investing in, brother. We do that ourselves,
We do all of that. But yet, since some man still a pray for your arm, we still.
Oh, I just look on it, dog. We cause this to unite, so we have to just take responsibility, you see it? Remember with the Grammy,
Well, we don't have to grimy. Just to survive in the streets, though.
We always have to tell from the streets, unites. This Brissett them are always watch red. We just have to stay alert.
I don't know what talking about that, if I tell you. Sheriff forward over on the block with the
Sheriff. For what?
to go and tell me say she and Vicious no good.
Yo, the youth, they lose everybody very important in their life, unites.
Hey dog, not to mention, I don't even know the reason how or why she reaching her scheme.